fake news spreads 6 times faster than true news.
A lot of how we buy media is, get me impressions, get me clicks, get me eyeballs. We don't always ask enough questions about where are those eyeballs, what are they surrounded by?
So if society is already unequal and AI is just taking society as noughts and ones and learning from that, then it is inherently going to learn unequally.
We've lent our hands to the algorithms to make the decisions when really, to me, conscious advertising is putting that human lens on what we do and being exceptionally mindful in the way in which we approach our practices.